Hey guys, I'm Seth with Elemental Bottles, and I'm here to show you one of our newest products. So this is our new lightweight splash bottle. This is 18 ounce and it's made of Tritan plastic. So it's great. You know, we had our 14 ounce bottle before that was triple wall stainless steel. This product's a lot lighter than that, which is one of the reasons we wanted to create this. We have these very cool and fun patterns here. They're nice and raised. This is one of my favorite bottles. It's got soccer and sports balls on it. But then we also carried over this really cool fidget pop handle that we have on some of our other products. So this product is great. It's got the pop bubbles that you can kind of see. They pop in and out and you can hear them. And then it's got this one-handed use here, so you don't have to touch the spout to open it. You can open it and close it from the side here. So like I said, this product's great for kids. It doubles as a toy, and that's one of the reasons we made it this way. We wanted something that kids would love to take with them. So if you get this for your kid, they're gonna love this because it's got this fun pop handle, but it's also gonna encourage them to drink more water. And we have a whole bunch of different colors for boys and girls. This is one of my other favorite ones. This has got nice construction trucks on it. So definitely check this out. These are all dishwasher safe. They're leak proof. Actually, I have one that has water in here, right? So you can see I'm turning it upside down and no water is getting out. So just a great product for kids. It's shatterproof Tritan. They can throw it around, and it's a fun product, you know, that they're gonna have fun with. It doubles as a toy and a water bottle. So check this out.